I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey guys, it's day 87. So the plan for today is this. I grabbed the first little clump of stuff off the box of stuff that I've been working in, and I put it off to the side. I went through the very top portion of it and pulled off the scraps. These are little scraps that I've saved off to the side that I've been using. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take these little tiny scraps here and make my background for my page, and then I don't know what we're going to do. We'll find out. Let's get started. Okay, I love this background. I don't even want to do anything else to it, but I am going to. I'm going to take a chance. And I'm not even going to touch this pile over here. I'm still using these little scraps over here. I just went through and I looked to see what I had left. And I like this piece. I like all of it, but I can only use so much of it, you know, at one time. I like that piece. And I've already got that on there. And of course, I love these weird pieces. Here's another piece, and then here's another piece of stem left over from a flower that I did on another page. So I pulled out these, and I think I'm going to use those, and we'll put these over here. And I'm going to make a flower. We know that because I love making flowers. And so let's decide where we want the flower. Cut that off there. Go ahead and put our stem down, and we'll build around that. Because I just don't know what I'm going to do with this. We'll see. It's just a challenge. I like the pieces, so I pick them up and go for it. Let's put that down there. Okay, and I didn't push the background to the back because I love this background. I don't want to hide it. So my flower might disappear. So that could be like the top of a flower, a mushroom flower almost. This looks like kind of a bowl shape, like this is a vase. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll see what happens there. It is so dark outside, it looks like nighttime, and it's like 2 in the afternoon. It's amazing. Okay, let's put this down here. Okay, what else? That could be part of a flower right there. Can y'all see? I hope you can. Let me bring it just a little bit closer. That could be flower. Could be leaves. Ooh, how about that? or that. I'm not shaping these pieces, I'm just leaving them like they are. That looks kind of cool. I really want this up here somehow. I think that belongs there. That just needs to be there. All right, just do it. Just do it. Instead of thinking about it, just do it. I'm just in the mood to be really funky and have fun today. I got my teeth cleaned today at the dentist. Everything's good. No cavities again. Woohoo! 57 years, no cavities. Awesome. Okay, go right there. And so anyway, just in the mood to just let it go. This could be the leaf. Oh my, oh my, oh my. This thing here just has to be involved somehow. Like that maybe? No. Or maybe the lighter side shows better. I like the darker side. It just, not literally, in this regard, I like the darker side. It just makes me happier. So I'm just going to put it down. This doesn't have to make any sense. That's how I create. Nothing has to make sense. It's the only way it makes me happy. Otherwise, it's too stressful. Oh, isn't that just cute? Let's look at this up close. Isn't that just cute? I should have pushed the background back a little bit so you can see my flower better, but really, I just love that background so much, I just didn't want to. Well, let's see, we have this scrap here. That could be leaves, but I don't really want to. I want to use these. That blends in too much, but I'd love to use that too. And then of course we have our safe little pieces here. No, I want to go with these. I may trim them up just a little bit, just to give them a little leafy shape so that they don't get lost back here, because you won't know. Like this. If I put them down here, can you tell better? Blends in so much. It's really hard to tell. We're just gonna do it. What the heck? Okay. Now, do we want to add anything else? I used all the little scraps that I wanted to use. I might just put that there for the fun of it, because it looks pretty. Here comes the rain. Again, we've had a lot of rain today. Alright, what else? We gotta pull a word. Happiness. That's my word that I lost on a page back here somewhere, and I couldn't find it, and so I didn't use that word. And that's because it was meant for this page. This page makes me happy. I know. Y'all are going, oh no, man, she's just crazy. All you new subscribers, are you thinking, what have I got myself into here? You know what? If you are thinking that, you're in the right place. Okay, so now I'm going to have to bring out my flower somehow so you can tell it's a flower. I need one more little something to really help us. Something, something, something. What is it? We need what? Let's see what it looks like if I really like that. but I'm not going to use it on this page. We'll use it on another one. Of course, it could be like that. That'd be a really funky flower, wouldn't it? I was going to make a little circle there, or a little ovalish shape to put right here. That makes it look a little flowery. And let's go ahead and trim this one out here like this, so it's not got any flat edges. And let's put it like this and see if that works for us. Not really. Not really. Not really. Kind of works down there though. It gets lost. We'll save it for another page. But this one here, kind of like that. Let's do that. Just because it makes me feel good. Okay. I still haven't decided on this. I know. I know. I know. I know. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. We're just going to do it. You and me, whoever took the time to watch this is going to know that this is a flower. If you didn't take time to watch it and you see the picture and you say, what the heck, it's your own fault. You should have watched the video. Okay, we're going to have to do something to help this poor little guy. I don't know what. Maybe my mean streak marker will help. All right, let's just take a look at this. Okay, guys. If you love it, you love it. If you hate it, you hate it. But either way, I had fun. That's all I care about. I'm not going to push this background in the back or anything. It just... I like this. I really like this. All right. I'm going to... ooh. See that thunder? Loud. I am going to circle my word, but this has to dry first. So let me do that real quick. The little vasey thing needs a little something there. You can see it better. I'm done. I'll see y'all later. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.